What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a Windsor knot, which is kind of the basic knot you should definitely know how to tie for your tie. First thing, you're going to pop the collar up and put the tie around that. Next, you're going to have them face the front how you want them to be facing at the end, both sides like that. And on the right side, you should have your fat end, and it should be about twice as long as the skinny end. Kind of just a good general rule of thumb. Some ties you may have to do a little longer or shorter. First thing you're going to do, take the fat end, bring it around the front, like that, and then it should create a little hole right here. Now take that fat end again and bring it up and through the hole, just like that. That's step one. Now they should both be facing the correct way at this point. Now what you're going to do is take the fat end and bring it around the back like this, so it's facing the wrong way. Then when you have that, you're going to take this and again put it through the hole on top. Just like that, and then pull. Now at this point, you should have something that looks a little something like this, where the short end is facing the correct way and the long end is facing the opposite way. Now you're going to take the long end and put it around in front like this. But when you do that, I like to have my other hand take the pointer finger and put it right here. So when you do this, it kind of creates a little bit of a gap right there. So now once it's over here, you're going to bring it around through this hole. One more time. And now instead of just dropping it, where your pointer finger is at, you're actually going to put it right through and grab with your pointer finger and pull it all the way through. And just like that, you should have your Windsor knot. And then you can kind of keep tightening it by pulling the fatter end, and that you'll create a kind of smaller knot, so depending on how large of a knot that you want. So if you have any problems, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any ideas for any future tutorials, obviously let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So thank you for watching. Good luck with tying your tie. Peace.